Hey guys, Sebastian from Tacoma Lifestyle here, and today I will be showing you how to install your 4th gen blacked out sequential turn signal. So the turn signal that comes on the truck when you buy it is just this clear plastic, kind of sticks out, doesn't look great. It is important to note that in order to install this product, the replacement product for this, your truck will need to have one of these already. The OEM turn signal just blinks, where your new one will be blacked out plastic and it will have a sequential turn signal. This install is incredibly easy. All you should need is a pry tool or a Phillips head screwdriver to get the whole install done. So the first thing you'll need to do on this install is remove this plastic piece that is on top of your mirror. You'll be able to see that this plastic is disconnected from the rest and it's only being held in by tabs. So once you apply pressure to it, it should just come off. And with not too much pressure, the whole thing just comes off. Okay, so once you have your mirror cap off, it'll expose this gray piece of plastic right here. This whole thing itself is your turn signal. In order to get this removed, to replace it with a new one, we're going to need to remove this plastic piece next. So in order to remove this, you want to start by taking 2 screws out, 2 Phillips head screws, one located right here at the top of your mirror and the other right in this little hole right here. Okay, so once you have those 2 screws out, you want to put them in a safe place, and then we'll go ahead and start taking off this plastic piece. You'll want to use pressure to go ahead and get it separated from the bottom of the mirror, and it should pop just off, just like that. Okay, so now at this point, the whole gray piece of plastic is exposed. You'll remove this Phillips head screw, and then this whole thing will be free. Once your screw is removed, you'll just go ahead and grab the light and pull it out, and it'll come completely disconnected. The last step you'll need to do is to remove the OEM light from the wiring harness. And in order to do that, you'll remove this clip right here by pressing this plunger down on the wire side and with pressure and then pulling them apart. So here on top is the OEM turn signal that comes from Toyota, and this is our blacked out replacement. You can easily see how much better this is going to look on the truck. All right, so when installing, you're just going to reverse the order that we just did to remove the previous one. So in order to start this, we're going to flip the light over itself and reconnect the wiring harness by putting this plunger side up and pushing down until you hear a click, just like that. Next, you'll go ahead and replace the light in its intended position, just like so. And it'll click right into place just like that. After that, we'll go ahead and put this Phillips screw right into this hole. Go ahead and put this Phillips screw right here at the top of the light, just like this. Okay, so next we'll go ahead and replace our bottom plastic piece. In order to install it, you're going to go ahead from the underside and just kind of lift it up into position. The best way to do it is you have this little shelf right here. This shelf rests on the underside of the mirror right here where it connects to the vehicle. You'll try to get that lined up first, and it should help you line everything else up. And just like that, with moving the mirror around and persuading it just a little bit, you have the plastic clips back into place, and we just need to replace our Phillips screw right here and up top up here. Okay, so we'll do the top one right here first. Again, you just want this to be snug. Perfect. You do the one down below. Now finally, to conclude our install, you'll replace your mirror cap just by trying to line it up again, and it should just click right back into place. Just go ahead and work your hands around it to make sure everything's sunk in properly. And just like that, your all new turn signal is installed, ready to go. As you can see, it looks a lot more sleek. It doesn't stand out and isn't ugly, but let me show you just how good it looks when it's on. as you can see, even with it being blacked out, you don't lose any light output. But the black plastic makes the truck look a lot more sleek, and the sequential turn signal makes it, again, look a lot better. And that's all, guys. With those few steps, your sequential turn signal is installed. If you guys like these turn signals, they are available on our website right now at tacomalifestyle.com. We will go ahead and link that down below in the description. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.